Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show how to use BART with Google Sheets. But before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. To use BART with Google Sheets, firstly open the Google Sheet. Here click plus blank to create a new spreadsheet. After that, click the text field in the Help Me Organize sidebar. Now in the new tab, open bart.google.com. Here, click on the Try BART button. Scroll down and click on I agree after reading all their privacy policies. Then click on Continue. Now go to the prompt section and add Use BART on Google Sheets. Press the Enter key to proceed. Now in the text box, type your query. For example, you could type, create a list of all the employees in the company or calculate the total sales for the month. This is how it will look like. So that's it for this video guys. If you found this useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.